I wrote a message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying I'm sorry. I guess you never really know what somebody's gonna do when they get lonely. You found somebody better than me to take.
Good afternoon everyone, kagigising ko lang and I'm having ginataang langka for my early dinner. By the way, this is my last day sa work. Hindi ko na kasi makaabutan yung pangalawang cut-off and salary day kaya so I decided to stop na lang today.
And once again, a pleasant evening to you.
Actually, this is just a part-time job. Hindi naman siya regular job. And I'm working as a talent sa isang Japanese lounge. And I also have talent manager. Sila pala yung madalas kong kasama dito sa work.
Nakapilma ka na? Okay, yun na. Arigato. Sarah! Uy, hindi! May ano ko!
Thank you po.
Jen! Ano tawag si Jen?
Ay! Uwian time, so kinuha ko na lahat ng mga gamit ko sa locker. Sa mga curious, hindi ko naman siguro i-upload. Kung hindi, decent job yung napuntahan ko. Didiretso sana ako sa bahay ng mama ko, pero naanto kasi ako so magpapahinga muna ako bago ako pumunta dun. Actually, nakabook na ng flight yung asawa ko pabalik ng Korea last week. Kaya lang may mga unexpected procedures dito sa Pilipinas na kailangan gawin. Tapos may mga online reservation na laging fully book. Sobrang nakakaubos ng pasensya yung paglalakad ng papeles dito sa Pilipinas. Ang daming delays and parang hindi nila pinapahalagahan yung oras ng mga tao. Kaya din pala ako nag-work kasi alam kong matatagalan yung papeles dito sa Pilipinas. I actually make myself busy para hindi ko na iisip yung stress.
Kuya, ay ate, isa po nito. Tapos, isang ano lang, comfort. Tapos isang, saka isang biscuit. Ano na kaya?
Alas 6 pa lang ng umaga kaya dito na ako nag-almusal kasi baka tulog pa sila. Sakto wala na rin pasok si Sam sa school kaya sinama ko na siya sa condo. Mag-aayos kasi kami ng luggage namin and then bibili na din ng mga pasalubong pabalik ng Korea.
Don't buy a toy. Ikaw talaga, ha? I want to buy this for you. You want to change it?
No, Mama,
This is cute.
Papa, when I'm big and I go to work, it's like I want to buy this for you. Because you're my mom.
This is more cute than this one.
No, I want this one.
Okay. Yeah.
Papa, can you come here? We need a battery.
Power bank. Ano, Barbie? What is this?
This is no toys.
Bubbles.
Bubbles, yeah. Let it go. Let it go. Can you come here?
Why?
This is you.
No. This is you. Unjo nga, may yung isong.
No, I'm so cute.
Mas gusto ko sana to kaya lang ayaw ni Sam. Ang cute. Ang ganda nito. I like this.
Pa? Why does
You see? Yeah. Yeah, you're paying for that, di ba? That's yours. Ikaw talaga, ha? Later. Ikaw talaga, ha? You can put it in your wallet.
Mama, you
Nasa'yo yan. Oh, you don't have a money anymore. Ayun na lang, oh. Get it. Oh, that's your money. You already...
I want to put it there.
Yeah, Maja.
Put it in my wallet.
Tsaka man. Where do you want to eat? Ha?
Mama, you know we're gonna buy steak, oh.
Maja. Lots of... Dirty, ha? Dirty.
It's only a fit.
Hana, shake. Ito, oh. This one. Ito nga. That one. Ate, isa po nito. Oh, that's mine. Later, we're going to eat Jollibee. Mani mo gande, you're gonna eat that later. Alaso? Chokoman mo go. I have buko. Tapos bumili si Sam ng mga ano niya, gusto niya. Tapos, dadali namin ito sa Philippines. I mean, Korea. Yeah. Ano pa? Ang tagal ng order ng KFC. Grabe. Panis pa ako dun, nakakakuha ng guest.
Today is Wednesday and pinasunod ko si Sophie sa condo kasi boarding daw si Sam para may kalaro siya. Actually, bibili lang dapat kami ng tissue ng kapatid ko. But we end up going to Greenbelt 5.
Okay na.
Mommy, can I hold this?
You want to stay pa?
Oh, Mommy. Just do it, the fun.
It's not Dr. Seriously. Yung ano? Only one.
I'll see
You're gonna broke his nose.
I love nature. Emma, witch.
Tara.
Mabigyan ako, please.
Later. I'm gonna... Okay ka lang? Masakit? Baka masakit ah.
Says, I love you.
Pero usually yun yan, ganun pa rin. Router na lang babalik ka, di ba? Okay, sige, sige. Yeah, bili mo ko ng picture. Save lang. Sa akin, dulo lang. Oh, ay naku. Hindi ko nakasave yan.
Bawal ba, please? Bakit bawal makain? Ito na, oh. Wait, you sure? Ayaw ko kumain.
Dahil kakalaro, nagutom yung dalawang bata. Kita niyo naman nakapambahay lang kami kasi nga hindi kami prepared.
Yan lang, hindi pwede yung ano. Pia kanin. Meron na ba yan?
Ta! 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 I'm just girl.
Andiyan nga, look at me. Happy birthday